Coinberry is a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a variety of digital assets. Here's how to get started with Coinberry. Sign up for an account. Visit the Coinberry website or download the Coinberry app from the App Store or Google Play. Click on Sign Up and provide your email address and password. Complete the identity verification process by submitting documents to comply with Canadian regulations. Deposit funds. After your account is verified, log in and go to the deposit section. Choose a payment method. Enter a key transfer, wire transfer, or cryptocurrency deposit. Follow the instructions to deposit Canadian dollars or cryptocurrency into your Coinberry account. Buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Go to the Buy or Sell tab and choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Confirm the transaction and complete it using your available funds. Withdraw funds. To withdraw, go to the Withdraw option, select your cryptocurrency or fiat, and follow the prompts to transfer funds to your external wallet or bank account.